So this is how to make a simple party jollof rice that you can serve in small parties at home or small gathering birthday parties and stuff like that. You'll be needing tomatoes, habanero pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, local rice, and tomato paste. So I squeeze out the water from the tomatoes, combine with ginger, garlic, pepper, and blend. We'll go ahead and chop the beef to any size that we want. Go ahead and season with shallots, onion, curry spice, seasoning cube. Add some water, salt, and stir to combine. Set on heat and let it cook for 40 to 50 minutes. You just want it tender and easy to chew. So go ahead and separate the meat from the stock. I'm going to be frying this meat first and be using the stock later. We just want to brown the meat so it looks delicious. You know those kind of meat you could spot from a distance when you are in a birthday party or at a wedding. After the meat, you fry the tomato paste. You just want this a little bit darkened and boil in your spoon. The fresh tomato mix should follow. I had to add some more oil because I want this to fry fast. Just like before, you want this a little bit darkened and boiling in your spoon. Go ahead and add water. Add your seasoning, your curry mix, shallots, seasoning cube, salt, then the rice should follow. Then taste and adjust seasoning, can add salt, pepper, or seasoning cube. Cover and let the rice cook. This 25 minutes later, added tomatoes, onion, butter, and bay leaves. 15 minutes later, and your rice is good to go. Trust me, it is so delicious. The kids are gonna love this. Daddy, mommy, everyone is gonna love this. I'm certain you love this, so don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be coming back with more videos, and it's gonna be a bomb.